Okay, we're going to read this level book F, Needs and Wants for Social Studies. We are going to read this book to learn about the needs and wants. This is written by Jordan Fujikoa and illustrated by Loretta Lustig. Needs and wants. We all need things. We need food, water, and air. We need a home and clothing too. We all want things. We want things that make us happy. We want things that are fun. Erin needs water to drink. She wants a glass of lemonade. She needs the water, but she really wants a lemonade. Water, it's a need. Lemonade, it's a want. Jacob needs food to eat. He wants pasta for dinner. He's having a toast, but he really wanted he needs food, so he has a toast, but he wanted it pasta. Erin needs a warm coat for the winter. She wants a long red coat. Jacob needs air to breathe. He wants some wind to fly his kite. Erin needs to stay safe from the storm. She wants to go under her bed. She's so scared that she wants extra protection, so she was under the bed, but she's safe at home. So she has what she needs is her home. Jacob needs a way to get to school. He rides the school bus. He wants a new bike. The school bus is the need, but what he wants is a bike. Erin needs to read a book for school. She wants to read a funny book. What kinds of things do you want? Do you really need those things? Here are the kids looking at that, like a toy store, like a clothing store. But some things that they cover your basic needs are the things that you need. Mhm. You may want some more specific things, and those are things that you want. Okay, and we conclude reading this book about needs and wants to learn what is a want and what is a need.